I'm Avanindra, and I've got some exciting news for you. This is May 2019, and Lightroom has just announced a awesome new feature, a new update. But before that, let's see what other things do. We already had the DS filter quite a few years back. What does DS filter do? It reduces the haze from the landscape photographs and makes the picture pop up. On the other side, the dehaze filter used to add some little moody effect to the images, to your landscape images. Similarly, we have the clarity filter. The clarity filter used to add a little sharpness to the images, making it better. On the other hand, the clarity filter used to remove the little blemishes from the portrait pictures we used to take. But then there was a problem. It used to give that plasticky look to the photographs. Lightroom came out with a solution for that. This is May 2019. The texture filter. Now what does the texture filter do? It removes the little blemishes from your portrait images without disturbing the hair or maybe the jewelry, so that you don't get that plasticky look. On the other hand, the texture filter adds texture, the minute details required for your tabletop pictures, or maybe your jewelry photographs, or maybe your landscape pictures. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to ring the bell. This is May 2019, the latest update from Lightroom. Thank you.